Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to offer product options like sizes or colors? In this video, you will learn how to add product variations in WooCommerce to give your customers more choices. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, we are not always gonna be selling static products. Sometimes we are willing to change a bit. And basically in that manner, we might sell clothes. We might sell electronics. And these things are very known for its variable and basically variation. For example, for clothes, there is size and color. For electronics, there is gigabyte size, like space size, RAM size, upgrade something, color if it was for phone. Yeah, there is a lot of variation specifically for phones. There is, for example, iPhone X, iPhone X Pro, iPhone like 11, 11 Pro. So when it comes to these things, it is always going to be necessary for you to create variations inside the product itself. So for example, in case you were selling iPhone like 16, then you are not going to create a page for iPhone 16 and then go back and create another product for iPhone 16 Pro and then go back and create another product for iPhone 16 Pro Max. No, it's gonna be simply one page, one single product that will have every single variation for all of these other variations that it has. So for this video exactly, we're going to follow the WooCommerce article about variable products. So variable products in WooCommerce let you offer a set of variations on a product with control over prices, stock, image, and more for each variation. You can use them for a product like a t-shirt, which you can offer in large, medium, and small sizes, all in different colors. On this page, you will learn how to create the variable products in WooCommerce, which is the most necessary thing. So, adding a variable product is similar to adding a simple product, but with a few more details to consider. So first of all, to add a new variable product, navigate to Products in WP Admin, the site admin area. Click Add New Products at the top of the page, then enter the product name. Choose Variable Product from the Product Data drop-down menu. Click on the Attributes tab on the left-hand side under the Product Data drop-down. Then add either a global existing attribute or create a new one, specific to the product. Add in a global attribute if you have already created global attributes. Select the one you want to use from the Add Existing, then drop-down menu and at the top of the settings. Select the variation values you'd like to use from the attributes. You can add them all by clicking the Select All button below the Values box, or you can select specific ones you want to use by clicking on the Select Values box and selecting them one by one. Add in a new attribute. Click the Add New button at the top of the settings. Add a name for your attribute, example size. It could be size, color, depending on what your variation is. And then add the variation you need to add. Separate each variation with slash or with like 2 points. So as you can see here, or with this one I mean. So I don't know what this sign is, but yeah. For example, here we have medium, large, XL, and XXL. Once you are done, click on Save Attributes, click on the Variations tab on the left, then click either Generate Variations to add all possible variations from all attribute values/variations, or you can add manually to specify which variables will be available for the product. Then click on each variation to expand to its product menu. Then enter product information such as price, stock, status, weight, dimension, shipping class, and description. Add link product if needed and repeat for all variations. This is very necessary since it's not really the same price when you're trying to buy an iPhone 16. It's not as you were going to buy 16 Pro Max, so different prices, different sizes, so different weights. All that comes with different shipping. So the weight matters when it comes to shipping. You're gonna pay more. So yeah, this is something that you need to understand. This is optional. You can use the bulk actions drop down at the top of the variations menu to set product information for all variations at once. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the Variations menu, then click Publish in the top right of the screen to publish the products. As you can see, this is something that explains it, so you can click Add Menu, give it a name, get variable product. Here you could go and simply click on variable product, go to the attributes, give an attribute the name, so you could click a new, give them here all the different attributes, and basically here you could find, for example, here color, here size, and then you could go and save. Then you can go to variation, and here you can generate all the variation, which will take you to a specific page. When you click on, for example, add price, you could literally just give price for each one of these, or basically edit them. So you could literally give them specific like options or specs about them, so people can understand each variation, what are its specs, what are its options, and much more than that. So here are the data that you can like change, like this image, SKU, enable the table the variation, regular price, sell price, downloadable or not, virtual, weight, dimensions, shipping class, manage stock, like the stock quantity, allow back orders, enables allowing back orders for the variation. If enables, stock can go below 0, low stock threshold, tax class. So yeah, it might have like different tax, even though that's very rare. I mean, I don't really remember if there is a product that has different tax, even if it's like it's same product but variation of it. So yeah, so these are all the things that you can edit within that page. Here, downloadable variation, in case it was a digital product, so you can find here add a variable product data variation, downloadable files, download limits, download expiry. So there is a lot of things that you might want to play around, go around and use, so you can have better user experience when it comes to picking its product or buying a product from you. It will have all the options available, all the tools in front of him, so the client will understand eventually 100% what he's buying, and it will make like a big confidence, make him more confident in buying the product instead of like being buying something unknown. So with giving more details for clients, it might just increase the chances that he will buy from your site, not from another one. And yeah, once you're done, just click on save, and your product has been created. Your variables are done. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.